Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by signing into your Epic account. Make sure your email is verified because the system uses that confirmation. Once signed in, navigate straight to account settings. Don't waste time toggling elsewhere. You should also enable two-factor authentication if you haven't. This prevents PIN bypass. By preparing these elements now, you'll avoid interruptions when the parental controls prompt you for identity and allow you to create a stronger PIN securely and quickly. Once in parental controls, choose to enable them and you'll be asked to create a PIN. Pick a 6-digit code that's memorable to you but not obvious to the child. After creating it, confirm the PIN and then configure specific controls. Block purchases, restrict mature content, and set playtime limits. Make sure to click Save or Apply so settings persist. If you manage multiple accounts, apply settings per account. Changes won't cascade automatically across other family profiles. To finish, sign out of your admin session and perform a test action that should be blocked so you confirm the PIN works. If the PIN is rejected, first clear cache or restart the launcher and try again. Sometimes local cache prevents updates. If you still can't access settings, use the account recovery flow sent to your verified email to reset the PIN, and as a last resort contact Epic support. Keep your 2FA methods current to avoid being locked out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.